Welcome to Market Masterclass. This is about investment assets. This particular session is about quite a complex area called Forex. Just to go back to the beginning, this session will be discussing annuities, bonds, stocks, cash equivalents, alternative investments, commodities, options, real estate, but now we're focusing on Forex. What is Forex? Forex is foreign exchange, it's FX, and otherwise known as the currency markets. It is by far the largest market in the world by volume of trading. We're talking here about $20 billion a day. The center of the entire currency market trading is London, and the whole basis is around the London market price. 41% of all trades take place through London. United States of America, 19%. Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan, between them have 15%. So there are critical areas, obviously, in the Asian region. Who are we talking about? We're talking about governments who are trading currencies. We're talking about, of course, central banks. We're talking about institutional investors, financial institutions who are investing in massive pension funds and endowments. Currency is terribly critical to them. Financial institutions, currency speculators, commercial corporations, and you and I, the individual. So the sort of people who are involved in it are all the names that we're very familiar with, like Citibank is by far the biggest, JP Morgan, UBS, Union Bank of Switzerland, Deutsche Bank in Germany, Barclays Bank in the United Kingdom, Hong Kong Shanghai Bank. It's a massive market. What are the currencies we're talking about? We're talking about the main market currency is the US dollars. Whatever currencies you're dealing about, the US dollar makes up 87% of all the trades at some level or other. The main currencies are US dollars, euro, yen, UK pound, and the Australian dollar. Next in line, Swiss francs, Canadian dollar, Mexican peso because of the contact with the United States, and the Chinese yuan. Very important currencies. Those are the main trading currencies. But as I say, linked into all these trades, 87% of the time, the US dollar is mingled in there in some way or other. It's quite a complex area. There's all sorts of words which need to be understood. For instance, we've got futures, we've got options, we've got derivatives, we've got spot trading, we've got forwards. There's many different things that one has to understand. A spot is a currency trading within 2 days. A future is making a price set sometime in the future. So there's many intricacies within Forex trading, which you have to be very aware of. What dictates what's going on with all these currencies? There are three factors. There's economic factors, obvious ones: economic policy, government budgeting, economic productivity, economic growth and health. There's political factors. If the politics is looking a bit odd, then currencies change their trading levels. And market psychology. Speculators love to get in there. There are flights to quality, long-term trends, rumors and facts. All these things make a difference. On a simple level, let me just tell me what happened to me recently. Somebody I know, a client of mine, they cashed in their investment. They made, over 16 months, they made 18% on the investment itself, but then they swapped it into their home currency. They made another 20% on the currency swap. So it's a very critical aspect in Forex. Is, as I say, the very largest market, and it's traded for all sorts of reasons. So that's, and finally, I want to mention, for instance, how critical it is. Just something very interesting, little story here. In 1992, currency speculation forced the Swedish National Bank to to raise interest rates, which are extremely low at the moment, as you know. But in 1992, the Swedish National Bank raised their interest rate for a few days to 500% per annum, and later devalued the krona. So economic bubbles are very critical, and you have to be very aware of what's going on and take your information from the professionals before you make any decisions for yourself as an individual. So good luck with your Forex trading. I hope that's been useful and interesting. See you another time. Thank you for your time. Goodbye for now.